Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Biomedical Engineering with Ganesh. So my YouTube channel related to biomedical engineering services and everything available about the biomedical engineering services. Today I come back here to provide the valuable information about the laboratory equipment. So laboratory equipment is very precious, and that is a binocular microscope. So every information I'm going to give you very clearly, and in this main focus microscope. So in this, I'm giving all informations, technical guide and practical guide. Understand? So in your work area as a biomedical engineer, you have to perform, and you should know these all things, how to do and what to do, and many things for you peoples. 24 points I bring it for you. It's very important. Today Sunday, okay. So that's why I took a time 3 o'clock. So its session will be 1 hour will be there. Okay. So daily I will come live session in this way, which is important and which is necessary to all biomedical engineers. Let me introduce myself. I'm Ganesh, State Regional Manager. Now I am leading Biomedical Engineering Services Government Project. So lakhs of equipments are there, and multi types of engineers are available in my team. So every day observing and leading the team, and many things we found out. So single person to one two person giving instructions means time taken process, because we have to take more responsibilities and in our job area, and every engineer is also engaged with their works. So that's the reason I come back here to live session. I will save my playlist, and every time, anytime, anyone can see my YouTube channel, then get the more information. Okay, right. Today we will discuss about the microscope. Okay, binocular microscopes. How look like, because of, see, this is a newcomers. If any new students and new engineers, and whoever newcomers, new joinees, for that purpose this is very great supportive, and it is very informative to all. Okay, nothing to worry. Please keep watch my channel and engage with my channel, and I will go to give the valuable informations what I have prepared for you all. Okay, right. See, and in this, in multiple experiences in biomedical engineering, I am escalating here. So these all informations as a practical way, in which way every engineer should have a skills. That is very important. So for that purpose, I am going to prepare all things and daily basis. And whatever you have comment, just give me comments in my live session. Okay. Before ending the session, I will read out all things, and whatever needed, I will give you very clearly. Right. Let me show you today my microscope. Today I'm going to give you microscope information. See here, live binocular microscope, complete practical and technical guide. Today 31/5/2026, 3 p.m. live session. See, this type of live sessions are not available in the competitive society. As a biomedical engineer, everything I have crossed out all things. So whatever I have practiced in my life and whatever I have achieved in my life, everything I'm going to escalate in your day-to-day life. Okay, right. Now see here, this is the topic I'm going to discuss, and this is the equipment what we are going to discuss. Understand? See here, first of all, now I'm going to zoom, then you can understand and you can see it very clearly. Binocular microscope, complete practical technical guide. See, if you are a new person, these are all things new. That's why I come back here to give you valuable information in this way. And this live session mostly we definitely use, because of, see, if you gain the skills, then everything come back to you. That is my belief. Next, now let's we go topic. See, for you purpose, whoever watch my channel and whoever engage my channel, in this type of explanation not available in college life. Understand? So before enter this job you should know these all things. If you watch my channel, definitely you'll get a more information about the biomedical equipments. Because of, see, our intention is we have to provide the services clearly, in timely and reliability. So before that we should know about the skills about the medical equipments, and what are the things, protocol, everything we have to know to run our life in biomedical engineering services. Okay, right. Now everything, one by one I will go to explain. First of all, I want to show the medical equipment, that is my microscope, binocular microscope. Why I am saying this is binocular microscope? Because of in microscopes, different types of microscopes available in a medical field. Understand? Because of this is laboratory equipment. So laboratory equipment will look like this if it is a binocular. Okay, binocular. Both options are there. And see, like operation microscope is different. That is, I will go another session, but only now I will cover binocular microscope. Okay. First of all, see here how many topics I bring it for you. Because of, see, these all informations. If you search also, you will get it. But the practical way, in a proper order, as an experienced engineer only can provide you. Because of these all informations, based on all our experiences, 18 years, 10 plus 8 is equal to 18 years of experience in medical field. Today I have collected for you here to give the explanation and make you understand purpose. Okay, right. Whoever engage with my live session, definitely please keep watch my channel and try to share with your friends. And let me start now the live sessions. Okay, right. I hope it is very clearly. Right. For you pupils, I brought it. See, very, very valid points. I brought it, and total 24 points are there. Complete equipments and minimum 5 slides. I brought it for you, and very informations. Everything I'm going to explain. Right. Now come here. Topic. Now this is the binocular microscope and practical technical guide and biomedical engineering services. First of all, if you go any laboratory, okay, without microscope, laboratory not run. Understand, that much is important because of diagnosis purpose. And what are the things, everything I'm going to explain, and very clearly. Here my intention is, after listen my the live session, you should be perfect about the binocular microscope. Okay, and how to operate, and how to you have to know the parts of this mission also, and what problem will come, and at the same time how to clean the lens cleaner, and which for lens cleaner purpose, best cleaning purpose, what needed, and everything, how to clean lens, next adjustable up and down, how to do, and applications and principles, and the purpose of equipment, definition and working operations. So many things I'm going to cover you. Okay, so without paying anything, just listen my live session. Definitely it will be get a good information for your basic life of biomedical engineering. Okay, now let me show you. First of all, so first of all, see, it is binocular microscope means you have to find out in this way. Okay, in these microscopes, different types of available. Okay, different types of companies are there, different manufacturers are there in the local market. But when you see the microscope, then you have to find out which type of microscope. Okay, so that's the reason I'm going to show you everything. First of all, my focus point is to show the equipment. Okay, this is the microscope equipment. First of all, see here, biomedical engineering service purpose. If you are a new person, if you are a senior also, sometimes that senior person out of branch, understand, he is not a biomedical engineer, but he knows very well technical and electrical person, but don't have about medical knowledge. So that's time what I have to do. If you are a zero also, nothing to worry, try to become a hero in your work. Okay, that is my intention. And see here, everything I'm going to read and I will show you, then it is very clearly about you. First of all, I'm going to see first point. See here, this is eyepieces, ocular lenses. See here. Okay, I'm going to zoom you. Then it is very clearly about you, your skills. In this way only you have to get the all information, sir. Many engineers are asking, sir, how to learn, sir, about all medical equipments. It's very complicated, sir. Lots of there, but I'm very interested to do the services, sir. But nobody is there support to me. If you think like that, my YouTube channel, by my biomedical engineering services channel, definitely it will be a useful to all. Okay, right now see here, I'm going to show you. This is the microscope one part, that is eyepieces. Okay, ocular lenses. See here. Here also lenses that is called ocular lenses. See here very clearly. This is the part eyepieces. Because of, see, as a biomedical engineer, not only provide the services, okay, at the same time basic information also important, and what are the parts available in that equipment, that is important. And in this live session you can come to know how to give the user training also. It is very very informative live session, okay. So in this live session you can get it multiple ways. What, first of all, what is equipment and what functions, and how to operate, and what are the problems will come, troubleshootings, and whatever regular problems coming, and lens cleaning, and nearly 24 points you come to know here in this live session, okay. I hope you got it. You watching very clearly, right? Next point. See, before learning, it is minor or minor equipment, major equipment, whatever it is, okay. Because of even small mission also you have to keep a proper concentration, because of you are a new person. So a small mission also you have to learn very clearly, very very perfectly, understand, right? First point is eyepieces, ocular lenses, okay. Next, see here, second point is binocular head, this one, see, this is the binocular head. Why I am showing? Because of knowledge purpose. At the same time, sometimes if it is not working, and sometimes damaged, sometimes rusted, then you have to replace. Then you have to mention this name. Okay. Then you have to inform to the hospital management auto. This is a defective. You need to replace. Then you have to give the information in that way. And the main thing is technical words is very very important to use in your work location. That is very important as a biomedical engineers. Okay. Right. This is the binocular head. Next, third point. See, come here. Revolving nose pieces. See here, very very important. Check it first of all. See, I'm going to show you very clearly. Third point is revolving nose piece. See here, I'm showing you this one. Okay, completely revolving means rotate self, because of we have to keep the lens well properly. That is the reason. And next, fourth point is objective lenses. See here, objective lenses are what are there, and mostly see 10x, 40x, 100x, like different types of lens are available in that microscope. Yeah, based on that you have to replace this. Okay. Next, fifth one. See here very clearly. Stage. This is the stage. See, I'm going in this way means very very clearly, and technical part also I'm going to show you. Please try to engage. And sixth point is stage clips are mechanical stage. See, so where problem come and how problem come and what to do, what not to do, everything I'm going to explain very clearly. Okay. If you watch my live session completely, and definitely will get here more information about the binocular microscope. Okay. Next, see here. Why I'm coming in this way? Because of many engineers are don't know about these all things. Few engineers are there. That's why everybody should have a good knowledge. And see here, seventh point, condenser. So here, condenser, this one. When you touch the microscope, then only you come to know all parts. Okay, as a biomedical engineer, try to interact with medical equipment if you want to specialist in medical equipment. Okay, right. Next, eighth point, see, iris diaphragm, this one. See, this is called iris diaphragm. Now in this see, in this explanation, I want to show you every part and of the binocular microscope. Next, see here, 11th point is illuminator and LED, light emitting diode lamp. Here light will be there, that is illuminating, increase the intensity of the light. So option also there. Here intensity intensifier, this one. We can increase the light, and increase the decrease or increasing the light intensity of the light. Okay, right. See here. Next, see here, 13th one. So 11th completed. Next, okay, one by one I'm showing. See, base stand. You can see the base stand of the microscope. So these all things very important. See, in a college, not explaining in this way. Okay, you have to get the pass. But job purpose, before enter the job, you should have these knowledges. That is my intention. Because of, see, as a state regional manager, I am observing multi types of engineers, and at the end of the day, every engineer should have a multi skills. Okay, that's the reason I come in this way to give the live session. Okay, base stand. Next, 10th one, see, fine adjustment knob. This one. Next, ninth one, coarse adjustment knob. And these all parts you have to know. And 12th arm is there. Okay, I hope you got it very clearly. This is the complete visual part of the medical equipment, that is laboratory equipment, binocular microscope. Okay, so if you take any binocular microscope, look like this only, but sometimes features it will look like change, and that is different in companies. Olympus is there, Magnus is there, Laborative is there. Okay, so locals also available, and different types of manufacturers are available in our local market. Okay, so depend on requirement, depend on interest, hospital will choose the equipment. Okay, but any equipment, I'm talking about the all binocular microscope which are used in a laboratory equipment, because of without this laboratory equipment not do the any services further. Okay, I hope you got it very clearly. Right, these are the complete visual of the microscope, binocular microscope. And see, I'm explaining in this way means, please listen to carefully. In a practical way, as a biomedical engineer, I have crossed all our designations, and as a biomedical engineer also, I did the work in my work locations in different hospitals, like corporate hospital, private hospitals. There physically we do it, understand, and many things we did also, many things we got the appreciations also. So that's the reason, if you follow these all instructions, definitely it is, see, it is a unique channel, unique YouTube channel, and this is biomedical engineering related. All equipments I'm going to give you, and daily engagement, definitely I will cover all things. Now come here. Now I want to show you what is a microscope. Okay, right, come here, zoom, I am coming. I want to show you very clearly, because of these are very important information. These are not available, because of, see, otherwise proper notes is very important if you want to learn a new topic. That's why please listen to carefully. It is clear. Right, now I'm going to read out definition of the microscope. See, a binocular microscope is an optical instrument with two eyepieces that allows the user to view specimens with the both eyes. It provides magnified, clear, and detailed images of small objects. Okay, very simple. Because of by using microscope, we can observe, we can find out the microorganisms. Okay, so microorganisms in blood and everything, like we are observation and study purpose, and to find out the issues of the blood. And because of, if you want to check the blood group also, you have to check in this way, sample purpose, where we are using everything I'm going to explain. Okay, listen to carefully, let me go one by one. Okay, number one point is definition. A binocular microscope is an optical instrument with two eyepieces that allows the user to view specimens with both eyes. It provides magnified, clear, and detailed images of small objects. Okay, this is called microscope definition. Okay, right, very small definition and very easy, and then you can keep in your mind, this is simply to visual. Okay, to image a detailed clear information purpose, microscope will be used, that is microorganisms are there. Next one, see here, this one is purpose of microscope. First of all, see, before, if you want to know the many subscribers are asking, sir, how to learn the medical equipment, sir. That is the, in this way you have to follow all things. That's why I have chosen this line. Okay, right, whenever possible, I will try to bring it a new medical equipments also. So I will try that, because of those are restricted area and hospital not allowed to that. That is the reason I come in this way. Okay, next, see here, purpose of microscope, binocular microscope. See here, to magnify small specimens for observation, identification, and analysis, to support diagnosis and research. Okay, what is the purpose? If you go in this way, what is the purpose, what is, no, what is definition? First of all, see, what is binocular microscope, you already you saw it. Okay, and what are the parts you studied. Next, definition you studied. Next, purpose what? Okay, that is also you have to know. That is the reason, to magnify small specimens and for observation, identification, and analysis, to support diagnosis and research. Okay, next, third point, see here. Third point, see here, applications, where we are using. Okay, microscope, where we are using, we have to know. See, these all things I'm going to say, this is the basic things every engineer should know before touch the medical equipment. Next, I will show you what are the problems coming and what need to rectify and what have to do. Everything I'm going to explain one by one. Please listen to carefully, okay? Right. Now see here applications, pathology, blood tissue cytology, okay, where we are using applications, okay? In hospitals, these departments we are using microscope, binocular microscope. See here, first of all, I'm going to read pathology, that is blood tissue cytology, okay, microbiology, bacteria, fungi, and hematology, parasitology, research and education, and quality control in labs, okay. For this purpose using this microscope, okay, right. Now main point is, that is principle, working principle is very very important, very simple also, okay. But when you once operate, then you can come to know, within half an hour you can be perfect in this medical equipment. But whenever problems coming, that time as a biomedical engineer you have to diagnose very clearly, and what to do I will explain, okay. Right. Now see here, now I'm going to show you working principle of binocular microscope. See, let me read now. It works on the principle of light transmission and magnification using a combination of lens, ocular, and objective. The light from the illuminator passes. So, through the specimen, the objective lens and magnifies it, and the ocular lens further magnifies the image, forming a virtual image. See, this is the long definition, but I am going to show you by using this picture. Listen to carefully. See this one. See, I'm showing here picture. This is the picture of the binocular microscope. Okay. Now working principle how look like. See here. You have to switch on the microscope. Then light will blow. Okay. Then after that keep position as you required. Next these eyepieces also you have to keep required, and based on lens what needed. See, I'm showing this is the mouse. I'm showing this lens you can keep what needed, 10x or 40x and 100x, okay, like whatever you need as per requirement, then keep position, and then knob will have to keep position, these all things. And you have to keep the slide here, this is vernier scale. There you have to fix that slide, okay. Then you have to change the intensity as your requirement, and lens cap also you have to remove, and then you have to sit on the chair like that. You have to keep the position, then you have to observe like that, like this, okay. So those eyepieces you have to contact. That is the working principle, very simple, understand. But here challenges is what you have to find out very clearly, what are the things, what are the specimens are available, that is microwave, okay. That is the main thing, that is the function of the microscope, okay. See, every each equipment also I will give you a live session, because of my focus is everyone. This is the working principle. Again, I will read now. See here, it works on the principle of light transmission and magnification using a combination of lens, ocular, and objective. The light from the illuminator passes through the specimen. The objective lens magnifies it, and thus ocular lens further magnifies the image, forming a visual image. See, listen to carefully. Why I am bringing in this all points, because of I want to give you very clearly information and lots of experience. So minimum, see, 18 years of experience means different types of problems we faced, and we have succeeded in our life. That's why we gain the more experiences, ups and downs. So those experiences definitely it is very useful in your day-to-day life. Okay, right. Now next come here. Next we will go working operations, okay. So because of, see, you don't know how to operate, and you don't know working principle, you don't know definition, what is what, you don't know, then you do not experiment any about any medical equipment, okay. That is the reason I'm bringing for you all peoples. See, these all notes you are asking. See, these all notes I am preparing. When you watch my live session, definitely you will get a more information by watching my live sessions. And I will make a every notes, and I will attach in my description. You will get a, and you can download also. Okay, free time I will take it and I will make it that. Now let me read now. Working operation, fifth point. See here in this all points I'm giving means before learning any medical equipment you have to go through in this way, because of if you want to survive, if you want to perform in your work, okay, if you want to do service reliability, that is very important. That's why I come back here, okay, right. See here, fifth point, working operation. See here, whatever mentioned very clearly, it is visible. I'm going to read means because of when you are listen my voice, definitely my one senior biomedical engineer is there. So if I'm listening, definitely I will get something through through this lesson. Okay, right. Working or operations what? Place the microscope on a stable table. Okay, first of all, okay. First microscope you have to keep on the table, right? Next, connect to the power and switch on light. Okay. Next, microscope backside power cord will be there, and the fuses also there. That power cord three pins are not checked there, and try to keep in a UPS connection. Okay. Next, place the slide on the stage and secure with the stage clips. See, when microscope is there, the stage is there. Okay, already I shown you in that picture. The stage, then vernier caliper scale also there. There stage slide you have to keep on that. Okay, next, fourth point, see here, select low power objective 4x or 100x. See in this which type of lens are there, I will show you very clearly. And next picture also, see, next ppt is everything I'm going to show you, internal parts and removing and how to do everything. Okay, listen to carefully. And see here, fifth point, see here, fifth point, use coarse adjustment knob to bring the specimen into view. Sixth point, use fine adjustment knob for clear focus. And seventh point, adjust illumination using condenser and iris diaphragm. So what are the parts? That's why I have explained very well about the picture of the medical equipment, that is laboratory equipment, that is binocular microscope. That is the reason here what I am using. You have to know and you have to operate. And my advice is, as a biomedical engineer, you have to try to use you terminal words. Okay, biomedical terminal words very important. That is this, that is this. Don't like, because of you are a qualified person, you should behave like that, a professional, right? And seventh one, see, adjust illumination using condenser and iris diaphragm. Eighth point is for high power 40x or 100x oil, adjust light and focus using the knob. Simple. Okay, these are the normal thing you can understand. When show you one time, you can do it, you can operate and see. For biomedical engineer purpose, why sir these all need information? Because of, see, before check the equipment, if anything problem, if hospital persons, otherwise technicians and laboratory doctors, they will say you microscope not working. Okay, then if you don't know these all things, so how do you check the equipment? Okay, that time if you not do perform properly, then they will blame you and they will discourage you and they will give disrespect you. Understand? Biomedical engineer not do anything like that. That's why through my live session, don't give the chance to other peoples and don't give the neglect about our services. Okay, right? This is the working operation. I hope you got it. Now I will go main point. See what points how to focus. That's the reason I bring it here, because the proper notes is very important and proper learning is very important. If you are learning properly, then you can perform very clearly and you will be a success in your biomedical engineer field. See, this all information means, if you know these all skills, then you will get a good salary in any companies and hospitals. Because of, see, I am revealing all things about the biomedical engineer services, what to do, what not to do, and as a biomedical engineer, what I have experienced in real life, that is only I'm going to show you. Okay, right? My dear biomedical engineers, whoever watched my live sessions, definitely it is very clearly about you all peoples. Okay, next sixth point. See, out of 24 points, now sixth point we come here. Major parts are there. First of all, see, in microscope, every part is very important and major part. Okay, because of if not available any one part, also we cannot do proper operate. Because of, for example, microscope you have, okay, one ip is not available, then you cannot do proper function. Okay, next, bulb not have, you cannot do proper function. So like every stage is very important, every part is very important. Understand? Let me read now. If I'm reading, then you can listen. Okay, major parts. Number one point is eyepiece, ocular lenses. Okay, keep in your mind. These all things are very important, and whenever you provide these services, that time very important to know the importance of all parts. Okay. Next, second point is binocular head. Number three, revolving nose piece. Number four, objective lenses. Number five, stage. Number six, stage clips or mechanical stage. Number seven, condenser. Number eight, iris diaphragm. Number nine, coarse adjustment knob. 10th, fine adjustment knob. And 7th one, 11th one, illuminator LED lamp. 12th one, arm. 13th one, base or stand. Okay, these are the major parts. See, almost all parts are major parts because of those are the very very important. Without this part, not functioning properly, and we cannot operate the microscope very clearly. Okay, that is the reason I want to say you, because of practical knowledge, everything I bring it in this way. Because of, see, in hospital time we have a lots of responsibilities. That's why I bring it for you in this way. Okay, I hope you got it very clearly. Right. Thank you so much. Let me go one more topic and see here. See, in order way, what have to give the informations I have very prepared very well. That's why I'm going to explain in this way. Okay. Here, very important. What I'm going to show you, what I'm going to explain you, that is very very important. Okay. Every point is important. Try to keep in your mind and try to be perfect and try to become a good biomedical engineer and perform well. See, seventh point, see here, types of lens, objective. Okay. So in this binocular microscopes, types of lens, next magnification, say uses. Okay. So you should know these things because of, say, the in microscope, this is the most important topic, right? Now come to the point here. Now I'm going to read, first of all, lens magnification use. Okay. Next, see here, lens scanning purpose, magnification 4x. Okay, finding the specimen. Okay, which purpose of the lens means scanning purpose, 4x is okay, finding the specimen. Next, low power purpose, 10x, general observation purpose. Because of, see, in laboratory microscopies we can use different operations, different functions are there, everything by the lab technicians or doctors will be there. Okay, but biomedical engineer not do the all time. Okay, every time they are doing their work, as their job, but sometimes if anything find out the issues, then they will come to the biomedical engineer, okay, to resolve the issues purpose. And see here, high power 40x detailed observation purpose. Oil immersion 100x, very fine details with immersion oil. And see, in this lens, what is the problem, sir? What problems will come, sir, regularly? Means if you ask me, then I will show you. Okay, everything I will show you and I will explain you. Let me explain one by one. Now seventh point is this one completed. Okay, next, see here, importance of lens. Okay, types of lens, magnifications, importance I have explained. I have shown also. Okay, see, these all information for every biomedical engineer. If you are a new person, see, if you are a senior biomedical engineer, then these all things is minor issue. Okay, sir, I know, sir. I know, sir. Like, but when you are starting stage, you have to practice your life. Okay, because of initial stage also, you have to keep in your mind and you have to be patience. Because of in medical equipment, if you have a 10 years experience also and 11th year, new problem will come. Understand? That is the medical equipment. Okay, that's why every time be patient and learn to practice and try to focus on your career. Understand? Right. Importance of lens. Determines clarity and resolution. Important of lens. Why lens, sir? Because, see, without lens, microscope is not there because of not visible. Understand? Right. So importance of lens. See, determines clarity and resolution. Higher magnifications for tiny details. Oil immersion lens gives highest resolution, and clean and proper lens is equal to clear image, and damaged or dirty lens is equal to blurred image. Okay, so mostly we receive the complaint in microscope. What will cut it? Those are, first of all, regular purpose. Sir, lens are not clear, sir. Dusty, sir. Image not clear, sir. So which reason? And you have to give the instruction to the lab technician every day what have to do, because that is called user training. Okay, that's why needed for every biomedical engineer. As a biomedical engineer, you should provide the proper guidance to the hospital equipment user. That is very 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 important. Okay, right. This is the eighth point. Understand? So everything I'm going to do now. Eighth point is completed. Okay. Next we will go ninth point. Let's come with me. See very clearly, for learning purpose, in which way how to go. That is the very very important, and proper guidance is very very important, and proper explanation is very important. If all done, then proper practice also very important. For every biomedical engineers, listen to carefully what I'm saying. Time is very valuable, and try to focus on learning these skills and whatever needed to you become a good biomedical engineer. Okay, right, come here. Now come here technical parameters. Understand? So technical parameters are, see, these all related about the binocular microscope. If you take any binocular microscope, what I am saying, what I am explaining, what I am showing, these are things very common things. That's why I have chosen to explain you in this way. Okay, right. And IPC here, total magnification 40x to 1000x. These are depend on the laboratory. They will choose and use it the equipment. Okay. So few laboratories not required. That's why 40x, 100x, and 10x. These are things available mostly. And IP's ocular C 10x or 16x. See, these technical parameters, little bit variation will change from one microscope to another microscope. It comparable, but only features are different. But these things are very commonly. Okay. Next, objectives what 44x, 10x, 40x, 100x. Okay, 100x is the oil, and to see the finest image of the specimen. Illumination, see, LED 3 voltage adjustable. And see, 3 voltage means actually binocular microscope bulb ratings are, what are the bulb ratings of the specification, technical specifications means 6 voltage 20 wattage is the most important. That bulb is very compatible, and any company microscopes that is provided by the manufacturers. Okay, right. There LED also available, and normal CFL type also available, like Mirchi type. Okay. As condenser a big, and condenser NA 1.25, and power supply 100 to 240 volts is the 50 or 60 Hz. This is the C. Here when come to the power supply, these are C normally 100 to 240. Normally 240 is the all medical equipment mandatory, and between you can keep it. First of all, you have to connect the microscope power supply. Then you have to check the using multimeter. Okay, whenever you get the complaint, then immediately you have to check the first of all electrical point. Understand? Because mostly electrical fluctuations time, bulb will get damaged, and inside transformer will be there, and switches will be there, and LED setup also there. Sometimes some fluctuations per purpose it will get damaged. Okay, I will show you one by one everything. I'm going to show you. Please try to engage with my live sessions. I want to finish, and I want to give the clarification about the binocular microscope. Okay, right. Fine focus least count 0.0002 mm. Mechanical stage range 75 into 50 mm. See, this is only for knowledge purpose I am giving, but servicing purpose, these all things you have to keep in your mind. Within fraction of seconds you have to provide the services. Okay, because of, see, this is a minor equipment, but you have to keep a proper planning, and you have to provide the very good reliability, dedicated skill, very important, right? Now see here, see in the these all things I'm explaining means, see, simply if you are a biomedical engineer, sir, attending, sir, this need to replace, this one need to replace. Don't give the judgment anything. Okay, my opinion. Okay, just you have to diagnose the issues, because of we can repair these services. Okay, we can provide the services, and we can repair the instruments. If you're not proper utilizing, then why need to replace the spare parts? That's the reason I'm coming here. Okay, next 10th point, see here, adjustable scale. Adjustable scale what? Mechanical stage X to Y movement, and left, right, forward, backward, and vernier scale for precise movement. Okay. Adjustable scale is you have to come to know. See, this is the adjustable scale. Okay. Then you can do front, back, and side, left. Okay. Total 4 sides you can move it. Like this is operating, this is the knob, so you can operate from up and down, from everything, every options purpose, every movement purpose, we have the options. Okay, then you can understand. That is that is only I'm saying. See here, 10th point here, what? Adjustable scale, mechanically. See, in microscope mostly we have to do all mechanical only. Okay, in this microscope technically we less, because of, see, in this microscope, binocular microscope, only electrical part is switch, bulb, and intensifier, and power cord. These are three mains are very important. You have to focus, and basic things, if you know, you can handle. And time taken process is where cleaning the lens and how to remove everything, you should know it, otherwise lens will get damaged. Okay, and before service, before provide the services, the microscopes, you have to wear proper mask. Okay, proper mask, and proper hand gloves, and proper care is very very important, because of it is a very infectious equipment, because of so that samples will come and everything come from the patient only. That is the reason you should be careful. Understand? Right. See, I'm giving these all information means as a biomedical engineer, you should get very good, very valuable information through my live session, because of I'm also biomedical engineer. But today I am leading state level regional manager. How it is possible to me? Because of all things I have practiced in a excellent way. Okay. Right. That's the reason today I have 100 engineers are there, different multiple types of engineers are in the state of Laplal. Okay. Right. Come here. Now 10th point completed. I hope you got it very clearly. Right. Next, 11th point, adjustable ups and downs. See, I'm going to explain very each and every point to cover the medical. This is the binocular equipment. If you watch the live session, definitely will get more information. Okay. Right. See here, 11th point, adjustable up and down and coarse adjustment knob and up and down, and large movement and fine adjustment knob, up and down fine movement for clear focus. See, this is the knobs means what, many times I'm using knobs means what. See, these are the knobs. Ninth one, see, these are the knobs. One outside knob is one functioning, and inside knob is one functioning. Like both knobs are there. See, total how many knobs are there? One, two. That side also total four. Four plus five, six. Six knobs are there. Very very important. By using these knobs, we can operate the microscope very clearly and very reliable. Okay. Rest. 11th point is completed. Adjustable things. Next, 12th point. See here. How to clean lens. This is the major challenge of every biomedical engineer. Okay. See here, this is the in microscope. More challenges are there. See, sometimes what happen? A biomedical engineer attend the call before better, okay, but when after cleaning, it is completely worst. So many doctors will say. Then what will happen? Because of that is way of cleaning is different. Because of that dust already formed, and before cleaning, you have to wear the gloves and you have to take precautions, then only you can perform very nice. Okay. Right. Now I'm going to show you, see, how to clean lens. See, I'm going to show you means in practical way what to do, what not things. If you in front of the equipment, if you get any equipment, any problem, then definitely give the comment, sir. I'm in front of the lab equipment, that is microscope, sir. So you are providing the live session, sir. Very interesting. I'm watching, sir. But I'm not getting properly in work location, sir. How it is possible, sir? Please, can you get advise me? Just give me comment, okay? Because whenever free, I will check it, and definitely I will give the advices to resolve your solutions. Okay, right. Let's see here. Number 1 point: how to clean lens. Remove dust using blower. Okay, first of all. Next, second point is use lens cleaning tissue or microfiber cloth. These all things you should keep in yourself, because of as a biomedical engineer, you have a proper toolkit and proper things you should keep maintained. If you not have, then you have to ask to the hospital management and company persons where you are working under any managers. Then you have to inform, sir, I need these things, sir. Otherwise, I cannot provide the services for the microscope, sir. You can demand it. Okay, right. And third one, see, put few drops of lens cleaner on tissue. Okay, so lens cleaner purpose, if, don't use any liquids. Okay, it is very going to damage the lens intensity. Okay. Next, fourth point is gently wipe in circular motion. Okay. Next, do not use rough cloth or paper. This is very very basic thing. If you follow, definitely it is very useful, and very within less time you can do the perform and you can resolve the issues. Okay, right. Sometimes what happen in colleges and medical colleges are there, hundreds of microscopes are there, and hundreds or thousands also available in large medical hospitals. Okay, that time if you follow one by one, then you can do perform per day minimum 20-30 microscopes. You can do resolve the issues. But before that, you have to, what to do, what not to do, everything. Every point is to keep in your mind. It's a fraction of seconds. You have to clear it. Okay. Right. Biomedical engineers, listen to carefully. This is coming way. Best awareness purpose, I'm going to give you, and multi-page. Okay. Next, best cleaning purpose lens. What happened? Use optical. See, this is my advice here for how to clean purpose. Next, best cleaning purpose. What? Use optical lens cleaner isopropyl. Okay, this is the very important. Please keep note it, because of mostly biomedical engineers microscope cleaning purpose. Sir, which liquid is very important, sir? Means then isopropyl alcohol 70% for lens and cleaning solution, and recommend brands Jace, Eclean, and Hopper or laboratory grade lens cleaner. Okay, please note down, and it is very very important. These are the very very important. It is available in a local market also. You can get it anywhere. Okay, right. This is not expensive, but you can find out and you can get it. Now 12th point completed. I hope you got it. Right. See, these are not, don't think it a practical, okay, theoretical way. I'm giving all things practical way. I'm giving explanation for biomedical engineers as a state level regional manager. I'm explaining you because of, see, this all information. Why I'm come to say, because of I am observing multi types of engineers. Junior engineers are there, freshers are there, and non-biomedical engineers are there. Non-technical people also there, and seniors also there, and specialists also there. Because of every equipment I'm going to say you means that is the reason backside of the multi explanations are there. Okay, right. See, these all live sessions I'm going to save in my YouTube channel, that is Biomedical Engineering with Ganesh. Every pin to pin you will get it in my playlist. Whatever you need it, check it out and collect the video, then watch the video and get the information. Okay, right. Come here, 12th point. See here, you can observe it. I'm showing and I'm explaining many things. That's why see 24 points. It is 1 hour take and try to engage with this channel. Now see here, main point is I'm going to explain now 13th point. If not working, how to check it? Okay, it is very very important. Note down. Please keep it in your mind. Till now, whatever I have explained, everything is one of the base point in our biomedical engineering. And for as a service biomedical engineering purpose, this is the most important. That is the 12th point. Okay, if not working, mostly if not working purpose only, you touch the medical equipment and you have to go to the hospital. You have to go to the department and you have to do perform the services. That's why hospital or any company, any project services, they will appointed as for biomedical engineer to provide the services purpose only. Okay, right. Come to the point. I'm going to read and I'm going to listen you and see if not working, how to check it. First of all, my dear biomedical engineers and whoever watch my live sessions, please listen to carefully. First of all, point is check power supply. Okay, first check power supply and switch. First thing is if anything get complaint, then first thing you have to check it like their power supply coming out by using multimeter. Because of that power supply should be 100 voltage to 240 voltage is very very important. 50 to 60 Hz frequency is very important. Because of if not proper, if not use proper power supply, definitely it will get damaged. Why I'm saying, because once you repair that, okay, again it will come, then what will happen? Your skill is right, your perform is right, but that hospital management not ready to understand your skills. Why? Because here power supply they have issue, then that time only initially you have to check the equipment and you have by using multimeter. Okay, multimeter you have to check it, and immediately if it is any variation, then take a short video, otherwise photo. Okay, and try to keep in yourself and explain them. Then they will try to keep a UPS connections which is required. How much power give the guidance. Okay, first point. And switch also, see whenever see switch when will problem, sometimes over fluctuations will come, up and downs will come, that time will be happen. And this is very rare situations in laboratory, and mostly regular using purpose the switch will be damaged. Okay, then first of all as a biomedical engineer, you have to check it. Okay, next second point, check lamp or LED, replace if required. See, lamp also depend on power supply only get damaged. Because of this lamp voltage, how much? Mostly binocular microscopes, 6 voltage, okay, 20 watts. That is the capacity, that is the specification of the LED. If you take any microscope, that is the parameter, that is the specification ratings of the bulb. Okay, and here LED bulb will be there, and LED bulb and normal bulb also there, like halogen bulb. Okay, next check brightness control. See what I'm going to explain. Not working time, you have to check all things. Because of microscope is not working, first of all you have to get the complaint. You receive the complaint from the hospital, then you have to ask all things. If you get there, for example, sir, microscope not working, then you have to get, sir, what problem, sir? Image not clarity, or bulb not coming, or intensifier not coming, and power not getting come. What are the issues, sir? They can say simply. They are technician, they can say and explain, sir, actually sometimes fluctuation happens, that's why light not coming. Somebody give the instruction like that. See, getting the confirmation, getting the collecting the important information from the hospital, that is very very important as a biomedical engineer. Any medical equipment, okay, without knowing, get the complaint means, yes, immediately go to the hospital and attend and do it. No, don't do like that. Okay, right. First you have to do it. First you have to communicate with the technician wherever you receive the calls from the hospital. Then you have to call it what the problem is there, and everything try to guide the by telecommunication only. Still if not done, not possible, then sir, okay sir, I will be there within 10 minutes if you are near to you the hospital, okay. Otherwise within shortly I will be there, sir. Like that you have to communicate with the hospital, okay, right. Next third point is check brightness control. Brightness purpose, what intensifier is will be there. Sometimes intensifier also will not working. So how it is working, then you have to find out, and then you have to open the equipment. Then base of the microscopes, then if you open, then it is visible. Transformer will be there, and bulb holder will be there, and everything. Next fuse backside available, okay. Backside microscope available. Sometimes inside also they are keeping, depend on manufacturers. And check condenser position, okay. Next, this is also very very important. Condenser position, how it look like. And see, these all things why I'm saying, see, that's why before starting this live session, I have shown the medical equipment, the microscope completely, and parts also I have shown. That is the reason. Check condenser proper position. And next, sixth one is check objective lens position. And check if the slide is placed properly or not. And eighth one, check if the lens is dirty or damaged. These are the maximum mechanical parts are available in the microscopes, okay, right. I hope you got it very clearly. And my expectation is only, please try to listen very clearly and implement in your day-to-day life. It is very very informative channel, and this is not available in this local social media, okay. Now 13th point complete out of 24th point, okay. Now come here, try to see it. And see, troubleshooting is very very important. I'm going to read, see in this image, if not possible to visible, then I will try to show you, okay, right. Troubleshooting what problem and problem cause and how to check it and solution. Because of, see, in every medical equipment you should know in these terms. See, troubleshooting means what problem come and what resolution. That's the reason every biomedical engineer should know about these important skills. Because of, if you don't know basics of the equipment, if you don't know basics of the functions of the equipment, then you cannot operate and you cannot survive the any medical equipment. Now come here, microscope, okay, right. Here see problem, what no image. No image means what happened, okay. No image and means no image, and dim image, blurred image. And see, these all images are coming means, then everything, first of all you have to focus cleaning properly, okay. Cleaning properly, intensity properly, and position properly, and adjustment properly. Then one by one, see, if anything that you complain this type of, then you have to focus how to do stepwise everything. If you go, then everything will be clear, understand. And microscope repairing purpose, it takes, if you are a specialist, it takes minimum 30 minutes, okay. 30 minutes it will be take, depend on problems, okay. Sometimes only bulb problem means that is only 1 minute 2 minute work, just simply remove it and fix it and it is working, that is okay. But depend on lens purpose. Sometimes if you found the lens, so lens, if you get a problem, then cleaning and removing very very clearly, okay. I'm going to show you coming after 24 points. I'm going to show you and one more ppts, okay. I hope you got it very clearly. This is the troubleshootings. We cannot give the one proper point, because of whenever image is blurred, that time lens will getting problem, okay. When having problem with lens, then only these all problems will come. And then how to do, what to do, I'm going to show you, okay, right. And next thing is 15th point come here. What I'm giving statement, for that purpose I'm going to show you. And see here what I'm going to give the presentation, that is important, okay, right. Now 15th point is SOP, standard operating procedure. Because of, see, as a biomedical engineer, you should know the standard operating procedures of all medical equipment. Because of every individual medical equipment have a SOP. Because of SOP is very very important. If you follow SOP, then definitely nobody touch you, and nobody blame you, and nobody scold you, and never problem will come to you, okay, right. Because why I'm saying these all things, because of NABH, NABL, JCI, all types of inspections I have experienced in my complete biomedical engineering career, that is 18 plus of experiences, okay, right. Next come here, SOP standards. I'm going to read out, then you can understand very clearly. Okay, right? Biomedical engineers, listen to carefully. These are the all informations. I'm not going to escape. Okay, I'm going to reveal all things. These are all things important. First of all, SOP, keep the microscope on a stable table. Okay, stable means fixed table. So this is we know very well. Okay, next, clean the lens before starting. Okay, these all things, see, these all things, why I'm saying maximum, if you provide the proper training to the user department, then no need to engage this much time, because of we have a multiple works as a biomedical engineers, and per day minimum 40 to 50 calls we receive from the hospital, because we have a team, so multiple team we have assigned, and they will do the performance excellent. So very smart point. My focus is, if you want to perform long, okay, if you want to 100 out of 100%, if you want to perform your location, then teamwork is very very important. Teamwork is very very important. Okay, right. Here second point, see, lens the, see, cleans the lenses before starting. See, these all things who will do? The technician have to do it. Okay, because of technician, that is lab technician, doctors, they are going to use these microscopes, because of in hospitals, not only lab and colleges if there, clinics also there lots of microscopes are there. So that time whoever using the equipment, that person do have to do all things. Okay, next, switch on and adjust the brightness and place the slide of the security. As fifth point, start with low power objective. And sixth point, focus with coarse, then fine adjustment. And seventh point, adjust condenser and diaphragm. And eighth one, after use, clean and cover with dust cover. And ninth one, switch off and unplug. Okay, this is the very very important points, because of, see, when you want to maintain the equipment long time, understand? So if we want to maintain long time medical equipment, then you have to follow the all instructions. Okay, see, as a biomedical engineer, if you provide these services excellent, then every equipment lifetime will go up term, and perform also excellence. Then doctor will happy, then patients also accurate results will get it. Okay, ultimately we will become a successful person in the biomedical engineering. Okay, I hope you got it. Next, sixth point, I'm come here. See, I'm going to show you and I'm going to listen. See, I'm going to give the valuable information which is important to your practice life. So these all information no need to give me, because of today I am state level regional manager. If I give the order, if I give the anything, then engineer have to do it. But while giving the order, I am thinking about the junior engineer. They don't know the how to do the performance, but I need to get the work from that engineer. But that's why backside I'm giving support, and upside I'm giving the order, and at the same time give the value of the job also. Okay, that is the leading. And as a regional manager, state project head, that is very very important, because of, see, if you develop, if you are getting good salary, if you are a leading top position, then at the same time you have to follow the instructions. So you have to give the instruction to the every biomedical engineer. That is very very important. In our work time not possible that time, that much engagement, because of every engineer have to go one to one location, that is very long distances are there. So we have to understand the hard work of the engineer also. That's why I come in the live session. I will save this my live channel in my playlist, that is going to record. And definitely whenever you free, just to open my channel, sir, this is the things you can watch the all videos very clearly. Okay, right. That's why I'm showing very patiently, because of every information is very important to perform your duties. Right, come here. And mechanical things to keep properly. First of all, stage movement smooth, and focus nose smooth, and revolving nose pieces tight and smooth, and no loose screws, and illumination centered, and condenser your ups and downs smooth, and clean and dust free body. See, these all mechanical things I'm going to keep properly, because of, see, for this purpose what you have to know, understand? See, because of for this purpose preventive maintenance is very very important. Understand? Preventive uh, preventive maintenance is very 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 important. Understand? So how to do, what to do, if you want to do. Okay, because of in every biomedical equipment have a specific preventive maintenance are there. Because of preventive maintenance depend on equipment, it will be applicable. Okay, but every medical equipment it is applicable for preventive maintenance. That is schedule basis, depend on equipment. So laboratory equipment is one way. Okay, 3 months will be there, quarterly will be there, yearly will be there. Depend on condition of the equipment which is applicable. And if you regularly communicate, then definitely will get a more information. Okay, why preventive maintenance are very very important? Because of to maintain. See, breakdown means different. Breakdown complaint is when you getting the complaint from the hospital. That is they will give complaint, definitely understand. And only preventive maintenance is collecting the complaint by visiting the hospital, by facing the hospital, and by physically you have to check it and you have to collect the information. Then hospital management also will appreciate your work. Okay, right. 16th point, this one. Next, as per technical way, see, these all things I have covered. Now going to 7th point. Okay, 17th point. Actually, for proper explanation purpose, I took it in this way. Okay. Whoever sir, anyways to contact to you, sir. Okay, sure, definitely. Okay, wait. I will engage with you right now. After ending this session, I will interact with your comments. Okay, please. I give your I give respect to your comments. Okay, I will engage with you all. First of all, let me explain all things because of what I brought for you. Because of whoever very interested people's every information is very important. I'm trying to give you very explanation very clearly. Okay, right. Now let me explain and let me read out now. Let me finish very fastly. Okay, and everything very 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 understanding way. I'm going to explain. And common problem see here. Simple. And lamp not glowing, simple thing. Okay, lamp not glowing means what happened? That lamp will damage, that filament will get damaged. How will damage? Because of sometimes some hospitals they are using not compatible, not quality things. Then what will happen? It will get damaged. One of the reason. And second reason is some fluctuations will come. They are not keeping in a proper UPS connections. That time also it will happen. And power fluctuations they are using, that time also happen. And sometimes microscopes moving one place to another place, not a proper manner. So then that time will happen. Okay, that is the reason lamp not glowing. Okay, and sometimes this one also problem. Lamp not glowing means sometimes intensifier also not coming. Because of here mostly problem will when will come, when new students are there. Okay, students are only educational students. That is lab college students and doctors who are there. So they don't have any experts about the medical equipment, understand. So when they operate the equipment, then this type of problems will come. And when they are present in front of the medical equipment, that is microscope, then only many calls will come. That's why whenever possible, try to engage with the hospital management. At the same time, try to give the explanation, user training. Understand? In this way, I am coming means, see, this is a minor equipment. I know because of I am experienced person. That's why I am take it easily. But when new comers, that is very very important and very very challengeable task also. Sometimes one biomedical engineer, a new engineer, we given the task, he stayed in the laboratory only complete one day. So that's why my advice is, as a biomedical engineer, if you don't know, nothing to worry. First catch it. Okay, follow it. And if you don't know, try to contact with your seniors. Okay, your senior not supporting you, then come back to my channel, Biomedical Engineering with Ganesh. I will support you everyone because of I am taking positive way. My intention is every engineer should have a proper skills about your work. Okay, if you know the knowledge, if you know the work, you will get a good salary. Understand? You will have a bright future. That is my positive mind. Okay, right. Next, blurry or unclear images. Okay, blurry or unclear images means what? Then you have to focus. First of all, you have to check the intensity of the light. Okay, intensity of the light is fine. Okay, fine. Next, blurry coming still. Unclear image means then you have to focus the lens. First, you don't remove all things. First, check it by mechanical. You have to check it first of all. Whenever you get the complaint means, then you have to collect the information properly from the hospital doctors. Then you have to enter and first monitor all things. Don't remove anything. Okay, don't remove anything. Then if you monitor first of all, then you can find out if anything issues. Then you can show the hospital department. Okay, you are doing like this. That's why this problem coming. You don't do like this. You can judge about of the work. Okay, that is very very important. Because of many engineers are not bad, many engineers are not good. Okay, so that is why many user department also not good, because somewhere they mistake. That's why problem come. And every biomedical engineer try to resolve the issues only, not try to make the problem. Yes or no? Yes. Okay, come with me. Common problems are there. And poor illumination. See, poor illumination means you have to check that is the intensifier one will be there. That is you have to check it. If still coming, then bulb sometimes will come because of that intensity will decrease because of number of times using means number of cases observed means then bulb also it will get damaged because of it is glowing but not properly glowing means then you need to replace the bulb. Okay, that bulb also expensive because of 400 to 500 minimum. If you go to the local market, then you will get the 1000 1500 also, depend on company. Okay, right. Stage not moving smoothly and focus not working and oil on wrong lens, dust in lens. See, these all things very very important, my dear biomedical engineers. See, after today I am giving means my backside is very very positiveness because of every engineer should have a skills. Every engineer should become a good skilled engineer. Okay, every engineer should get a good salary in biomedical engineering. That's the very important because of today we got it everything. Why not possible to you? If I provide the valuable information, definitely will come back here. Understand? That is my intention. Okay, right. Come here. Out of 24, 18th point is there. See, 18th point is real hospital experiences. See, till now, what I have experiences shared, these all 24 points are real time hospital experiences. But for example purpose, I am going to show you in a hospital lab. Okay. In our hospital, see, I'm not going to reveal any hospital name, any company name, anything because of see, our job is very important, our life is very important, our company is very important because of our company, our government and our hospital, whoever giving the opportunity to us, they are trusting us. Okay, we should not break the trust, we should maintain the proper communication with the management. Okay, right. In our hospital daily OPD and pathology labs, this microscope is used for blood smear and urine sediment and malaria, dengue and other routine test oil stains and improper cleaning are common issues, and regular preventive maintenance and proper cleaning improve the life and performance. Okay. See, my advice, please try to engage the technician and friendly communication, then give the advice, do like that, do like that, don't do like this every time. If sometimes my advice is my mostly take one paper. Okay, take one paper and very valuable points, how to use the microscope. Okay, like stick on that in front of the mission. Okay, then technician will can understand how to use. Okay, before using, what to do, what not to do, that is also mentioned. Precautions also mention. Okay, then what will happen, mostly problems will reduce and good communication will rapport will develop and face value is growing. Understand? See, as a biomedical engineer, not only provide the services is not in our job, because of by doing job you have to focus on the work, because of everything is expensive, everything is paid you. Okay, okay, you are getting salary, so for that purpose you have to do work perform very well, and the same time you have to focus your career also. By while doing your duty you can perform, you can practice anything which is necessity to improve your career. That's why I'm saying I'm giving explanation means these are things that is the focus on my life. Okay. Till now I have designations. I have crossed over many designations from biomedical engineer to I have completed whatever things SSC, BIPC. Okay, BIPC means what? Biology, physics, chemistry, science category, and next special diploma in electronics and biomedical engineering. Okay, that is professional course in biomedical engineering. Next, BTech in biomedical engineering. Next, MBA hospital management equipment services. So minimum basics are qualified. So qualifications are very important to get the job. Okay, because of see before doing the job purpose, these are all things very very important. Understand? Nowadays very demand biomedical engineering career. Now before joining purpose 12 to 15 lakhs up to 20 lakhs, so we have to pay the college fees. Yes, are there. So after paid this much fees also, you don't have that much confidence about the life because of lack of awareness and lack of support, and in the society how much using that many people sir don't know about the category of this biomedical engineering. But in real time what happened, see, I'm observing hundreds of engineers are there in the society because of I'm doing interview many peoples. So that's why okay, in India minimum per year 15,000 to 20,000 biomedical engineers have come out. So that much is priority. And once see how much priority of the medical field. If you go to the hospital for treatment purpose, how much do we are paying? Too much cost is paying. That much is expensive. This is the medical field. So that's why awareness is very very important about your human technology is very important. at any situations, yes or no? Yes, in critical situation, that is COVID-19 time also, even that time also we do not have free. That is the power of the biomedical engineering, and they are giving double salary also, and they are taking care about all situations. That's why we overcome from the COVID-19 also. Okay, right. Let me go one by one. Next, 19th, see here. Service time, routine service time 20 to 30 minutes. I'm saying yes or no? Service time, if you are a expert, okay, if you don't know, it will take one day also, because of you don't, if you're not interested, one day also, 2 day also it will take. That's why it's here, very interest is very important, dedication is very very important. See, in this live session I am explaining all things practical way, but I am giving like a proper notes, then you can come to understand, and everything depend on our presentation. I hope my presentation is very nice, so you can listen my voice, I think. So if you like my channel, just give me comment, sir. Yes, sir. Your presentation nice, sir. It is very informative, sir. That type of support is very important for me, because of encourage is very important for us, because of I am going to encourage you people, that at the same time I need encourage support also from your side. Okay, right. And see, fault finding time 15 to 30 minutes, and major repair time 1 to 2 hours. See, 1 to 2 hours, why I'm saying, because of all lens need to open, and sometimes transformer also, burner nut we have to check it. Okay, because of you have to open, when open all things, then you have to fix it, minimum 1 hour will take. Okay, right. These are the 19 point. Next, 20 point I'm going to show you. See, these all informations I have prepared. It's very very challengeable task. Okay, now see here, what are the challenges are there in microscope? Mostly, what are the challenges are there? Microscope. See, even small equipment also we have a challenges, because of who don't have skills. Definitely, any equipment here challengeable task. Understand? Right. And 20 point is challenges: dust accumulation and oil stains on lens, and improper cleaning, and frequent use in heavy workload, and proper fluctuations. Okay, see, in this live session what I'm going to say entirely, because of, see, if anything, as a biomedical engineer you have to find out the issues, and you have to resolve the issues. Okay, replacing the spare part is, that is not our priority. Understand? Well, we have a skills. If you don't have a skills properly, try to engage with my live sessions, get the informations, and implement in your day-to-day life. Okay, as a biomedical engineer, not do the courier work from here to here. Okay, technical work you have to do it. That's the reason I come back here in this live session. Okay, 20 point challenges are, these are things. Next, 21 point category of equipment. See, so category of accuracy, all points I bring it for you, because of the proper notes is very very important. Proper lesson is very very important. Proper learning is very very important. Proper practice is very very important. Proper communication is very very important. Proper punctuality is very very important to perform your duty. Okay, right. Now see here, category of equipment: laboratory equipment, subcategory optical equipment, and used in pathology, microbiology, and hematology, and research labs. In where categories where these are the most important. By using this equipment, we can find out the micro level organisms and micro level specimens we can objective. Okay, so in the market, different types of microscopes are available in this relevant healthcare sectors. Now today I am explaining only about binocular microscope equipment, because of this binocular microscope mostly available in hospitals. Okay, 100 out of 100% available in hospitals, and selecting also. Right. Next, 22 points here. Easy method to provide services. Very, very easy. What? Regularly. Preventive maintenance is very important. See, how to do the preventive maintenance. I will make a section in another video. Now, up to 1 month, I'm going to give you all medical equipments, all things. I'm going to cover complete guide, technical, practical way, experience way. I'm going to share you. And next, I will take a proper equipment. Then I will take a how to do pin to pin. I'm going to explain very clearly. Then, when you watch my live session, while doing your work, it is very very helpful to you. Okay, right. Now I'm going to read, please listen to carefully. Easy method of providing services: regular preventive maintenance, and keep dust cover always, and train the users for proper handling, and clean lamps regularly, and keep spare lamp and fuse ready. See, sir, if you are saying these all information, so what you will get it, sir? Understand? You can ask me. My intention is, see, if anything equipment problem coming, then how, who will handle? That biomedical engineer only we have to repair, we have to take responsible as a state level regional manager also. If anything equipment find a problem coming, if an engineer not able to do it, then I have to follow all things. That's why if I'm giving explanation in this way, all things, that is more benefit to improve our performances, and everything, everyone will get improve, and everyone get a good salary, and we will give the promotion also. Okay, because of the back side I will support, and front side I'm giving orders. So like that, both you have to manage, then only you will become a good successful regional manager. Okay, right. So almost topic going to over. Okay, this is the first slide will complete. Next I'm going to show you internal part of the microscopes. Okay, please listen to carefully. These are very information. We have spent many multiple ways for other activities, but this is important to grow your career purpose. Okay. Next, transformer type available. See, step down transformer, 230 voltage to 12 voltage, the 6 volts are illumination purpose. Okay. For transformer which purpose use? To produce the electricity. Okay, to produce the electricity from high, low, and depend on functions. Isolation transformer, see, stabilizer for voltage fluctuations. Understand? See, in this type of one type of transformer, but depend on manufacturers, they will keep direct ones, small type transformers also there. Okay, that is low voltage step down transfer, low voltages, that is the 12 volts or 6 voltage. Why? Because these are 6 voltage. Why? Because see, depend on bulb only, the input and output. Okay, so the bulb which is DCR was AC, you have to check it all things, because of directly if you connect the bulb, then it will blast. Okay, so that's why in between transformer is very important to use, and to perform the light. Okay, right, transformer is very very important. Next, I'm going to show you every part. See, okay, now 24th point completed. Now disadvantages and advantages. See, microscope, binocular microscope advantages what? High magnifications and clear image, easy to use, wide applications, and durability. Okay, I hope you got the complete information of the binocular microscope. See, yeah, simply if I show the PPT, then it 1 minute, 2 minutes time. But I tried here to give the valuable information which is important to your services time. So these all things you have to keep in your mind. Okay, right. And disadvantages: needs regular maintenance and sensitivity to dust and lens damage if not handled carefully, and costlier than monocular. Yes, monocular when compared definitely cost, because of that much advantages are there. So definitely we have to keep purchase. Yes or no? Right. So these are the things I have explained very clearly. Yes, I hope you got it very clearly. This is the complete notes of the microscope I going to prepare, and like PPTs type. Then I will attach in my live session. Then you can come to understand, and you can download also. Okay. Next, come here. Next slide. So okay, this is the next slide. See here. See here. This is the very very important. And till now, what I have explained, basic things, and what are the things, what are the functions, and everything I have explained very well. And see, at any time, if power gone also, I don't stop my live sessions. Okay, let me finish now. And finally, I want to show you very clearly very important topic. Now see here. Now internal view parts of the service support. This is very very important topic. See till now, what is the what everything I have explained. And here in this live session, you can get it very clearly in details of the microscope. Binocular microscope. Again, I am mentioning, see here, binocular microscope. Understand? First of all, see it here. See it first of all. What are the things available in this? Okay. Actually, power guns. That's why see my face is not clearly, but I don't stop anytime. If I start this session, let me finish. Let me explain, because of this is the presentation part is very clear. I know. Yes. Yes. Today is Sunday. This is my personal time, but I am engaged with you all people. That is the very very important. And this live session I am going to save in my playlist every time. Anyone watch my channel and subscribe my channel and try to engage it. Okay, right. First of all, see this image. What are the binocular microscope internal view parts of service support? Because of as a biomedical engineer, service knowledge is very very important for everyone. Okay, if you improve the technical, if you improve the service skills, then everything you can perform in your work. Understand? Right. I hope my YouTube channel, many people watch my channel. I hope, thank you so much. 11 lakhs views crossover mostly. So how much public strength support, in a practical way, many people are watching my channel. That's why today I prepare. Today I have decided about the more than 100 plus sessions I will provide daily basis. I will not miss it. Whoever attending, whoever not attending, that's not a matter for me, because of everybody have a their specific plan and work. Don't disturb your work, and whenever you free, okay, whenever you free, when you are try to think about your career, then please once come to my channel. Okay, right? Because of just get the information and try to perform your work and try to resolve the issues your work. You will get a salary. Understand? For your purpose I'm saying. Right. Now see here, internal view parts. What I'm going here very clearly, I'm going to show you, which is very important. I'm going to end this session also. That means right now almost 1 hour completed, 1.5 hour completed. Okay, 3 o'clock I have started. Now 4:21 going. I hope it is going to finish. I will clear it. Now see here, internal views. See here very clearly. That's why I have explained very well. Image of the microscope, binocular microscope. I have explained. See, sir, this is the binocular microscope, sir. It is nothing, sir. If you think like that, that because of you get a experience, that's why you think. But I am focusing. If you are a junior, then these all things are very important to know the parts of that microscope. See here, I'm going to read all things and then you can understand. External view I already explained, but again I'm going to show you. This is very clearly internal parts. So I'm going, first of all, external I'm to show you. Next internal parts I'm going to read. Okay, right. See, if you are a zero person also, don't think. Okay, don't think bad. Definitely you will get a good knowledge through my live sessions. Okay, right. See here, internal part here. See hype. See, first one is eyepiece ocular lens. Number two, binocular head, and number three, revolving nose pieces, and fourth point for objective lenses. Fifth point stage. Sixth point stage clips or mechanical stage, and seventh point condenser, and eighth point iris diaphragm. See what I'm here given very label parts. Okay, because of everything I'm not in front of the medical equipment right now, and we are not there, but we are working for biomedical engineers in our India, in country, in any state, in any country we are working as a biomedical engineer. We provide the services for that purpose. If I'm saying means you think like that, in front of the machine you are there, I'm giving you advice. You okay, right? Next, see here, seventh point condenser, and eighth point iris diaphragm, ninth point coarse adjustment knob, and 10th point, see, 10 spare part what? Fine adjustment knob, and next 11th point illuminator LED, and 12th point arm, and 13th point base or stand. This is the external view. Okay, when you see the binocular microscope look like that. If you take any medical, any manufacturer company, any company, Olympus, Magnus, Labomate, okay, because of these are the very powerful companies are there now present going. Right, come here, let me come here. This is the main part I'm going to show you, which is important practical service support purpose. See, sir, I am a biomedical engineer, sir. I need service support, sir. Still know what you explain. These are information, sir. But I need to perform my duty, sir, first of all, because of I have many issues in my hospital, sir. You think like that? Yes or no? Yes. So, this is my focus is live sessions for everyone I'm covering. Okay. I'm going to revealing. Right, come here. Now see here, if you open the part, if you open the microscopes one by one, each one part, because of every part we can replace, we can remove, we can disassemble the parts. Okay. See here, internal view, main assembly. See here, first of all, which see here image very clearly. By watch my live session, you basic things you will get it, and experience knowledge you will get it, and you can do the service your equipment, and you can perform your equipment, and by using my live session you can give the proper training to the hospital management, and you can perfect how to do, how to make a notes about the any topic, then you will get it. Okay, these all things very important to career. Right. See here very clearly. If open the equipment inside, it is look like that. Okay, right. Now I'm going to read one each part. See, first of all, binocular prism. This one, see. Okay, this one is binocular prism beam splitter. Okay, next eyepiece tube. Next one is, see, objective lens, nose piece. See here, I'm giving arrow mark and I'm showing using my mouse. That is look like it is monitor like locator. Stage mechanism. See here, E condenser assembly. This one. Understand? This is called condenser. See why I'm saying, because of you have to know the technical part of the medical equipment. As a biomedical engineer, you have to perform. You have to know as a technical basis and professional biomedical engineer. Okay, right. Iris diaphragm, see here, very clearly I'm showing. And illumination lens, see here. This is the illumination lens. An LED lamp will inside there. See, these all things when you find out, whenever you get the problem, then depend on problem, you have to open the equipment. Otherwise, no need to open the equipment, no need to waste the time. Okay, right. Separately, if you want to learn new things practical way, then ask the department of the HOD or doctor and technician, and ask the permission, then only touch the equipment. Otherwise, you take the with your senior, that senior will arrange you. Okay, right. Power switch and brightness, see here. Power switch related here, technical part is very less. Okay, very less. Out of 100, only 10% is there, technical spare parts. Understand? Right. Next one, see here, diopter adjustment ring. See here. See, inside part internal views mostly not possible to see, because of in hospital area, single moment time also very important to perform the laboratory. That's why if any laboratory not working means that complaint will go to the medical superintendent level, because of that much importance, and many cases will postpone because the proper lab inspections if not done, then nothing will go forward any patient, because that's why first checkup is very important. If first checkup is finalized, then only go to the operation theater, otherwise ICU, otherwise whatever needed for the patient, that is only depend on this microscope for the laboratory equipment. Okay, one of the causes. Next, see here, focus mechanism internal. See, that's why I'm saying here, in this microscopes, binocular microscope, mostly mechanisms are there. That's why if you practice more, then definitely mechanisms, how to do, how to operate, how to do everything, when you go to the practical way, then only you can come to understand. And basic things purpose, I'm giving the information to be updated your mind, for that purpose I'm giving. Okay, right. Next, coarse focus mechanism and fine focus mechanism. See here, everything very clearly I'm showing. And condenser focus adjustment, every part you should keep in your mind. This is, if you have to practice before perform the medical equipment. Okay, I hope you got it very clearly. I hope I have explained very well, and many things I have explained here, what are the not available things in the society. Okay, next, transformer driver and LED power supply and base plate. See, in this live session, one more knowledge also you will get it, you can perform your college also. After your college, you have to do project works. Okay, for project works also you can ask me, I will guide you. Because of when I was studying time, diploma in electronics and special diploma in electronics and biomedical engineering studying time, we have done the projects. Okay, like 6 months projects, 3 months projects, I did it in my life. So not only me, whoever completed the biomedical engineers, definitely they did their this performance. Okay, for that purpose also I can give the advices. Okay, right. Now in this topic, what? Complete binocular microscope in this way. So second slide also I'm going to finish. Now optical path, see here how look like. This is very important, because of optical part is very important, because of after repairing and after checking all things. Sir, what's your LinkedIn email? Okay, I will give. Wait. I will engage right now, because of, see, first of all, let me finish. Let me finish this live session. I'm going to finish and I'm going to show all things. And before ending, I will engage with live session. Engage with all messages. I will give reply, please. Okay, right. Optical path, see here, main important, how to operate, how to check it. This is very important, because of sometimes what happen, if you are for a biomedical engineering, not one college student is there. Okay, basically he don't know, but as a lab practicals purpose, they have to touch the mission and they have to operate all things. And that will explain by the doctors and lecturers, professors. Okay, lecturers, professors, they have very well knowledge, because of hundreds of students explain teaching, so they have practiced very well. But problem where come? Students and newcomers, there only come. So that's why I'm coming. I'm bringing for you this topic. Okay. Let's see here. eyepiece and prism beam splitter and objective lens. See here, everything I'm giving points how to look, how to keep in here. Then you can find out optical path is very, very important. Next, specimen. Specimen is you have to keep on the stage. That is by using the slide blazer is there, and condenser is there, and light source. Okay, right. This is the path of the optical path, binocular microscope. Okay, so this is the complete information. Next, come here. Measure internal parts. See, I am going to show you very clearly. Sir, these all explanations, how much time taken, sir? See, that's why, yeah, I am very, very, very positive about the society because of we are paying lots of fees in colleges. Understand? Today, if you want to become a biomedical BTech, okay, BTech, diploma, anything, if you want to do, lots of fees are there. Minimum 12 lakhs to 20 lakhs it will be there. Because of now technology is developed, a biomedical engineer today getting salary, experienced engineer nearly 2 to 3 lakhs per month. So that's why very demand is coming. And my intention is my suffering what? Because of you are paying that much payment in colleges, then what things you have to get it from the college. That is very, very important. Okay. So only learning and practicing and writing and complete the exams, that is not enough to your course. Okay. So when before leaving the college, what things important, what have to focus, and what things you have to demand your college lecturers. And before joining colleges, you have to think what options are there, that college campus selections are there or not, and industries communications are not, and like long huge hospitals connected or not, now BMMP project services companies are available or not. Those things you have to check it first of all. Okay, my dear friends. Okay, my dear subscribers and my dear biomedical engineers. Biomedical engineering is the excellent field, friends, because of after keeping long time efforts, today I got it very successful. Okay, that is the important, right? Now come here, I'm going to explain one more topic is there in this live session. Measure internal parts of the binocular microscope. So here see, major parts I'm saying, but every part is very, very important and major. But sometimes base not working means that time also every part is very important. I'm going to show you. Please listen to see it very clearly. I hope you got it. Okay. Major internal parts here. Binocular prism. This prism, it is not visible. Okay. Where it is even visible, that is inside. Okay. This is the prism of the microscope here. That prism, it is, see here. It is very rare problem because of if it is old, it is obsolete model, completely not using long days, then it will be formation, rust, or like many things will happen. Otherwise, nothing will happen. It is long time. Okay. Next, eyepieces tube. Eyepieces sometimes broke down, breaken. Okay, because of they are not handling properly and fell down. That time only problem. These are the major parts of the binocular microscope. See what I'm going to say with you all. This is very, very important to know the parts. Okay. Next, see in this microscope also these all parts may sometimes getting problem and need to replace and defective. If it is not working any proper function, then equipment not functioning, then it is come to the biomedical engineering services. Okay, right. And objective lens here revolving no space. See if not available in this, then we cannot use the lens by see here. Here see lens we are keeping and depend on the requirement we can replace the lens, then we can see it as required. And see here, these are the major internal parts. And stage mechanism, this is very, very important part. Okay, everything is very, very important. Then you have to, as a biomedical engineer, you have to know all parts, and it is working or not, you have to check it very clearly. At the same time, you have to diagnose the issues. Okay, diagnose the issues and try to resolve it. Don't try to replace the spare parts, because of maximum, if sometimes some reasons are there, okay, completely damaged, not replaceable, not repairable means, then you have to give the recommend to buy the new spare part. And condenser assembly and iris diaphragm, focus mechanism. Next, see here, illumination lens and LED lamp, and power supply LED driver, adjust knobs. So in these, mostly not coming problem because of if you do properly maintenance, power supply, proper preventive maintenance, then these all problems will reduce and you can perform very sufficiently. Okay, Right. Come to the service point of the internal checkpoints. See, this is the binocular microscope. It is a small topic, but it's going to explain very clearly. Whoever have a great experience in this microscope, that person only can explain all things. Okay, your senior only can explain you. That time also, your senior should have a proper knowledge. If they don't have, they cannot explain you all things, because of sometimes if you open the microscope, what happen? Again, you have to reassemble the all parts. If you don't know, after fixing purpose, then you will get a confused. That's why I'm giving explanation in this way. If you get the all information, definitely friendly supporting in your work, and definitely you will can perform your work and very easily. Okay, right. Come to the point. Service support internal checkpoints. What are the things important? See here. Did you try any time complete open the microscope? That type situations you face it, because of that is the preventive maintenance time. One time, two time you have to do it very clearly, because of maximum time not available to check open all things, because of hospital busy, lab equipment is busy, continuous patients will come, they will not ready to give you equipment, okay, to entertainment, because of learning is your personal work, but they need only provide the services to the patients. That time you have to finish very clearly, and you have to focus the works. And whenever you free, please try to engage with my live sessions. See here, I'm not feeling any bad if you're not joining or not joining, that is your part, but I'm going to save this live session in my playlist. You can get anywhere, anytime you can watch it my channel. Okay, right. See, basically, I'm not a YouTuber. Understand? I'm not a YouTuber. I have chosen the YouTube because of to engage more peoples. Now engaging more than 100 people, I'm engaging. I'm expecting more than 10,000 people. I want to engage, and I want to share with knowledge and improve our skills and categories. Okay, right. See here, everything I mentioned here, every parts eyepieces are there. Okay, binocular head will be there. Understand? Next to see here, next prism assembly is there, and objective lens are there. Everything very clearly mentioned. See here, prism. See, objective lens, nose pieces are there, and stage assembly and condenser. In this, see, in this internal parts, at any time, any problem will come. Understand? Preventive maintenance system, you have to check all points and do the services. Then many problems, if you find out also, you can resolve it. Then what happen? Instant services we can provide by using our smartness. Understand? Right. So 13 points is base stand. Base stand only, all parts will be placed. Okay. Right. This is the service support internal checkpoints. Okay. You got it? In this live sessions, many things I have covered. Whoever watched my live session completely, then only can understand. Okay. Half of you, if you watch my channel, then you may not get get the proper information about your requirements. Okay. Right. So next I will go troubleshooting parts. Okay. This is very, very important. Troubleshooting guidance means, see, this is very, very important. What we as a junior biomedical engineer are having less skilled engineer, expecting this only. So this equipment problem, this for example, if you take microscope only, okay, for example, lens complaint getting, then what to do, how to do, when will come. This pin to pin support is very, very important to every biomedical engineers. Okay, right. Almost going to 2 hours complete. 2 hours going to complete now. 3 o'clock started, now 4:38 is going now. Okay, I hope it is going to finish right now. Let me do it because of my intention is I want to try to complete whatever I have decided to explore in this live sessions. Okay, this complete information, that's why I given the title practical and technical and guide, and which is real experiences. Everything I'm going to explain in this way, because of this is very valuable content, and whoever watch my channel, definitely it is very useful. Okay, right. Come here. Troubleshooting guidance I'm going to show you, and I'm going to read everything every point, then you can understand. And troubleshooting guide here: problem, possible cause, and how to check solution. This is very, very, very important, my dear biomedical engineers and subscribers and watchers. Okay, this is very, very important. Troubleshooting guidance, any medical equipment you have to go in this way, and don't escape anywhere. If you are interested biomedical engineer, if you are getting salary in time or out time, whatever it is, at the end of the month you will get your salary in your company. Yes or no? Without paying, nobody do any work. Yes or no? At the same time, my focus is, please try to focus in this way. Understand? And upcoming days, biomedical is very demand field and very recommend also. That's why I'm coming in this way. It's very, very useful, and you can get the salary in your work area. Right? Come here. Troubleshooting is how look like. Problem, no image. Okay, It is visible, friends? Yes. Right. Come here. Problem what? No image. For example, a doctor, no image, microscope not working. Then what will say? Then problem we what cause? Light not on and lamp fused and power issue. These things very important by using the multimeter. Okay. Next, how to check solution? Check power supply switch and check lamp check. Then power supply. Okay. Depend on it. You can give the resolution. As a biomedical engineer, you should be perfect in that. Next one is dim light problem. Next causes brightness low and lamp weak and dirty condenser. Okay. Why I'm giving these points? Because of if you see and if you get the information from that complaint, if you know these all things, then easily without a waste of time, within fraction of seconds you can perform your work. And that fraction of seconds if you provide excellent, then that time what will happen, that patient will have, doctor will happy. Yes, we have a good biomedical engineer. Yes, thank you. What I cannot do it, you did it. That is your biomedical engineer. Yeah, so that time they will appreciate you. Okay. So that time you have to say, sir, nothing, sir. I have very good point, sir. Let me share with you, sir. Then you can get more than me. Then you have to interact with other doctors. Okay, very politely. Right, come to the point. Like dim light, what happened? Increase brightness and replace lamp and clean the condenser. See, this is very important. Then you have to check it. The intensifier will be there. Then one by one you have to check it and you have to follow it and you have to diagnosis and you have to resolve. That is the main. See, if you're not able to diagnose, also don't leave the equipment like that after receiving the complaint from the hospital. My advice is, for example, if you get the complaint from the hospital, then try to engage it very clearly and check it. If you don't know, if you cannot able to resolve, then what you have to do? Then immediately that information forward to your seniors and relevant hospital relevant managers, then they come to know and then try to give the advice. And that time also you have to follow with them and what they are doing, why not possible to you, why you cannot, then get it points and try to in your one way next complaint. Okay. Right. Next, uneven illumination. So these are the basic things, common problems coming, and condenser not centered, and diaphragm issue, and center condenser adjust diaphragm properly. See, mechanism also if not properly keep, then what will happen? That function not functioning, that visibilities will be not possible to see. Yes or no? And clear images not because of lighting one way and lens one way. Next you are seeing one way. Then how it is possible? Because of students, many problems will come, then they don't know, then we have to check it and we have to give the guidance. Because of complete responsibility of the medical equipment ourselves, that is the reason we have to give the guidance and we have to give the service and we have to provide the proper experience knowledge to the team. Then only we can provide the services within short time. Okay, I hope you got it, friends. Right. Next, see here. See, for single point purpose, this much explanation needed, sir. Yes, needed. Because of every biomedical engineer attitude, mentality is different, and everybody doing work, everybody keeping efforts. But one engineer why getting high salary, why one engineer not getting that much salary? That is the difference between skills, performance. Okay. But my intention is every engineer should get a equal salary, but everything depend on performance only, company will ready to give you. And see, in this live session I'm going to finish how much you have talent, that is not important for the company or a hospital. Company or hospitals, whoever giving you job, for that person only focusing, please, how much you have skills and how much you can resolve the issues of the equipment. That is very important. In that is the reason in this way I'm giving the valuable information for that purpose only. Because of at the end of the day, if you do any qualifications and you at the end of the day you come to the job purpose only. Yes or no? We are trying to do get the job only, and we have to take your life prestigious, and we have to take care about our family. Yes or no? Yes. Come here. Troubleshooting guide. Stays not moving and smoothly. See, these are things, small things. Understand, small things. But if you neglect the small things, then it will become a major issue also. Because of some issues what happened, only microscope is one only there. Okay, but so what happened, patient is very critical, but need to do operation and everything. Then what will happen if you not do proper the services about the microscope? Then what will happen? So these all things where it will create the major issues. Okay, that's why before reaching any critical situation, try to engage with my live session, and many things here I will share with you all without missing anything, and the consistency I will maintain, and I'm going to explore things. Okay, let me finish. I'm going to very important topic. I'm going to show you right now. Now lens cleaning see guide. See here, what are the lens? How look like? I'm going to show here. See. So somebody thinks, sir, still not complete the live session. How much information, sir, you have, sir? So somebody giving messages. Okay, thank you so much because of I should complete right now. So use blower to remove dust. How to do? See here. Use lens cleaning paper or microfiber cloth and use lens and see using time. Please use the tissue paper. Okay, which type of tissue paper? That is also not all tissue paper. By using tissue paper, it can easily remove. Okay, and cloths are not available in that area. And cloth again, paper also it is very dangerous and anything because it will be scratch. And if you use the tissue paper also, that is very useful. Okay, use lens cleaning solution isopropyl alcohol 70% or lens cleaner. Because of see why I am giving this much information, because of this is lens best cleaners are there. These best cleaners you have to use based on the protocol, otherwise lens will be damaged. Understand? Because of lens visibility will be, reliability will be reduced. That's why before use the cleaning time, then you should get the information to your seniors. Okay, don't take own decisions. Clean gently in circular motion and don't use tissue paper and handkerchief or rough cloth. Okay, see here. Here, yeah, tissue paper I am using saying means tissue paper also one type of there. All tissue papers are not applicable, and that is one type of tissue paper is there. I will show you. Okay, how look like, then you can operate. And while doing the services, then if you have any doubt, then give me comments. Then I will respond on that question. And that see relevant video for that purpose only. For example, binocular microscope live session is there. Already I'm going to save this video. Okay. So if you get a problem for binocular, then go to my channel and check it. Binocular microscope related. Then there only give the comment. I will catch it. Okay, right. So these are the local market available in medical sectors, medical store also available, and local market also available there. These are things in a local market maximum available. See here. Lens cleaning solution, isopropyl alcohol 70%, and Jace lens cleaner and e-cleaner, lens cleaner and Hopper lens cleaner. These are the first preferable best cleaners. Okay. Please follow the instructions because of these are the medical equipments and don't try to use the own knowledge. Okay. Today I'm giving me, so after getting experiences, today I'm ready to give you all things. And this is how to check if not working, I already explained, and technical parameters also explained, and SOP standards also very clearly explained. Okay, so more than 24 points I have explained very clearly. And mechanically keep proper C. Understand? So maximum information I have covered in this live sessions. I hope you got it very clearly. And important lens also, everything I have explained. Types of lens are there. Types of lens means see ocular lens 10x or 16x, and scanning objective 4x, and low power objective 10x, and high power objective 40x, and oil immersion objective 100x. These are the important. Why you importance we have to know, because of sometimes doctors saying microscope not working means, oh, microscope, don't negligence. Because of these are things you, if you know, then definitely immediately action. Sir, I will be there, sir, I will be there, sir. What happens, sir? You have to react like that. Then doctor will be happy. Oh yes, biomedical is coming. Otherwise, already doctors, lab technicians, they have multiple problems, multiple pressures from the hospital and patients. Okay, that's why we have to give the supportness. And category wise, the all things I have explained everything, I hope. Okay, so many things I have explained. See here, hundreds here. See, hundreds of equipments I have experienced in my life. So 18 plus years of real-time hospitals experience in multi-designations and cross over the challenges in healthcare services. These are the most important. See, these all the long process for only one equipment purpose. If you think in this way, there are many a lot of things are there. Now I'm going to show you one more thing, how patient side using. Okay, right, come in. See, I think these all things again no need to explain. And see here, what is usually okay. Hospital diagnosis purpose lab service area, how to use. So maximum information I have explained here. I am focusing only how to use in laboratories here. I'm going to show you sample preparation purpose. See how they use in laboratory or hospitals. Okay, hospital how they are using, we should know it. That is also. See, sample preparation purpose, number 1 point, make a thin smear, a slide and place on stage. And number 2, slide placement, place the slide on the stage and secure with clips. And clips is these things, clips. Okay, these are the clips to catch the slide. And select objective lens, start with 4x or 10x objective for scanning and focus the image. And use coarse focus or rough focus, fine focus the clarity. And fifth point is adjust illumination, adjust light intensity using iris diaphragm of condenser. And sixth point is detailed observation and switch it to 40x or 100x oil for detailed view. And next point is diagnosis or reporting, observe and reporting findings. Why I am saying, because of, see, these all things, see, everybody have a specific unique responsibilities. Understand? Biomedical engineers, we all think, we do all things. You think about yourself, but every designations have a proper responsibilities. That's why we should give the respect to everyone. Okay, and we should get the respect from everyone also. Okay, take respect. Okay, give respect first of all. Take respect next. Okay, right. And see here, understand its purpose, brings tiny objects into clear view for accurate diagnosis. Okay, very clearly I'm showing you. And helps in detecting abnormal cells, bacteria, parasites, etc. And essential for correct treatment decisions. And see here, this is the most important point, essential for correct treatment decisions. Proper diagnosis should be very very important for patients. Okay, one day we will go to the hospital for treatment purpose. If not get the proper treatment from the doctor, then what will happen? Some does anything will happen. And to increase our major problem, yes or no? That is the major essential for correct treatment is decision important. Okay, so these are things, diagnostic purpose. Okay, these are diagnostic purpose, lab equipments are there. So improves laboratory efficiency and accuracy and cost effective and reliability diagnostic tool, and supports patients care by providing exact results. This is important because of, see, accuracy, accuracy, because of proper exact value, very important. Okay, proper fine dosing is very important. See here, real lab how look like, see here. Actually, by using this microscope, so how visible? For sample purpose, I am showing you for knowledge purpose. Okay, real lab applications are, see, blood smear, malaria, anemia, CBC. Okay, next urine sedimentation analysis, RBC, WBC, cast crystals. Okay, RBC means what? Red blood cells, corpuscles, and WBC means white blood corpuscles. When you study time, that time everything come in your subject. Okay, that's why studying time focus on education and doing time focus on career and job. Okay. Next, septum analysis, AFB bacteria, fungi, and tissue spectrum section, histopathology, and microbial culture, gram stain morphology, and parasitology, example eggs, crystal, and ova. Okay. So these are the things, real lab applications. I'm going to show you everything, and many things I have covered. Okay. Right. Here the internal parts I have shown you, service center, what to do, what we do. And see here, installation, calibration, proper alignment and focus adjustment. Service center is very, very important. You have to focus because of this is the reliability of the equipment is very, very important. Okay. Right. Troubleshooting identity and fix optical, mechanical, and illumination. See, after all explanation also you may not perfect at all, because of when you go to the practical knowledge, then only you come to understand very clearly. But before that you should be perfect about that. That is my intention. Because of nowadays, as a state regional manager, I'm doing interview many peoples. So that time many basic things also they have not maintained, because of education system is completely different. That is the reason. Okay, then if you not done properly in college time, okay, you are paying too much fees, colleges fees, but you are not expecting from the college, and you are not improving your skills, then how do you get the good salary in biomedical engineering? Tell me. So in that way, what happened? Sir, I completed the graduation, sir, biomedical, sir, biotech, sir, diploma, sir, but I'm not getting still good salary in biomedical engineering, sir. So many people are asking, but they are tried in wrong way, and they are not practiced in long way. That's the reason to get a less salary in biomedical engineering. Yes or not? Today, why we are getting good salary? Because of lots of efforts are there, lots of dedications are there, and proper management, proper implement, definitely good hard work, it will give you good result at the end of the day. Okay, right. So common problem, see here, Common issues process in lab. See here, prepare slides, like prepare place slide, keeping and focus image, and adjust light and observe and report. So almost 100 out of 100% topic I have covered here, and I am showing you. Okay. So successfully 2 hours completed. Now I'm going to finish within 10 minutes. I'm going to session and this session. Okay. Thank you so much for engaging this much time, because of see it is a career growth topic. Okay. Every way I'm going to in this way, because of these all things very very important, and multiple years of experience, 18 years of experiences whatever I have collecting, and single 1 hour 2 hours I'm going to performing and give the representation about the biomedical services. Okay. Right. As lens cleaning, see here how to do remove dust like this, and how to remove also. See, every lens opening purpose we have a separate on toolkit also. You have to keep yourself. Okay. If you don't have, then you have to recommend your management. So these are things. And service center workflow: receive equipment and check the diagnosis and repair service, test available, and return and support. This is the most important. Okay. Right. So these are the informations I have explained very clearly, and now I will go to engage comments. Okay. Right. So this much talking explanation also not an easy. Understand? But today is Sunday, but but engage means once I will save this month, and if anyone junior if have doubt, definitely watch my channel and get informations. Still, if you get a problem by using the medical equipment, whatever it is, all medical equipment, nearly 100 types of medical equipments I have experienced, I can do perform. Understand? Like right. Okay, now I am watching every comments. First of all, sir, anyways, to contact you. Yeah, definitely. First of all, try to engage with my live sessions regular basis, and automatically everything will available. Okay. And regard this notes, I will make it prepare. Okay. Because of this type of notes not available in the society, local market also, because of you will get a more information about the one book that is a long book, Kanpur, and different types of books are there, biomedically related equipments. But as a practical way, as a senior, I am preparing means that is only focusing on job to perform very clearly. That is my intention. Okay. Okay. Next, sir, what's your LinkedIn or email, sir? Okay. You'll go to my channel. Okay. Go to my channel like Google Biomedical Engineering with Ganesh, search it. Otherwise, Ganesh SBM Special Advisor, search it. And my channel will be appear on the website. Then click it. Okay. Next, what happened? Next, go to about section. Then you will get more links are there. LinkedIn and membership and my mail ID and everything I have keep here, and WhatsApp also will be there, and you can contact me. Okay. Right. And when do you do sessions for hematology and biochemistry? Wait, I will tell you, because of see already I have planned about 30 days purpose. I have planned every topic, so that's why I'm coming in this way. Please engage with my live sessions continuously. I will bring it hematology and biochemistry also. Okay, because of that is also under scope of the biomedical services. We are providing the services. Okay, laboratory equipments we have, analyzers are there, ELISA washers are there, and plasma membrane are there. Okay, next like centrifuges are there, microscopes are there. Understand? So like ELISA washer reader are there. So that is the very important. Okay, there is no available. Okay, I will check it and I will share the link. Okay, because of I have to share means that is I will attach in my link. Then you can catch it. Okay, right. See, actually, I'm a biomedical engineer, means now lakhs of equipments we provided the services at the government level. So here critical equipments are there, non-critical equipments are there. Okay, and major equipments are there and minor equipments are there. Next, here, okay, I will share. Can you tell me or please share here, sir? Okay, fine. Here also my YouTube channel name is there. Biomedical. If you search in LinkedIn also, you will get it. Ganesh, biomedical related. If you search it, then you will get it. Otherwise, wait. I will share with link also. Okay. Okay. Right. Next, here today successfully completed live session that is about the binocular microscope laboratory equipment, and I have experiences biomedical engineering, ICU equipments, operation theater equipments, laboratory equipments, and dental equipments, and radiology X-ray equipments. So all types basic things I'm going to explain, and because see my complete intention is every biomedical engineer should have a basic knowledge to perform your work. Okay, together with team we have to do perform our work and success. Okay, ultimately my channel going to dedicate awareness purpose the society and professional way. Everybody should have a knowledge, that is the important. And daily I'm going to prepare all things. At the end of the day, one big platform will develop through my channel. I hope that's my confidence level, because today I'm leading as a state level regional manager. So 100 engineers are there, successfully perform everything excellent. Okay, thank you so much. Keep watch my channel and engage with my channel. And thank you so much whoever engaged till now, and give me comments. I will be there to support you. I will watch all comments. Definitely I will share with you all. Okay, thank you so much. I will come back again tomorrow. And before today I will prepare tomorrow purpose one concept. I will prepare like one by one. I have prepared whatever content depend not I'm going. Okay, right, thank you so much. Keep watch my channel. Jai Hind. I'm going to end this session. Thank you so much.